Let's have Tamagoyaki or Japanese omelette for breakfast. What is Tamagoyaki? Ito yung Japanese-style omelette na niluluto by rolling together layers of beaten eggs. Since 3 lang kaming kakain, I use 4 eggs for this recipe. Then, para may added na healthy stuff for my family, nilalagyan ko ng grated carrots and green onions. Season with salt and pepper. Yung Japanese Tamagoyaki may sugar. Kaso gusto kong bawasan yung sugar sa diet namin kaya hindi ko na lang nilagyan. This is best prepared using a rectangular pan but I only have round. So I just try to make it work with what I have. Ini-spread ko lang yung egg dun sa buong pan. Then pag naluto na yung ilalim, iro-roll ko gently. Then move the rolled egg sa end and repeat the process. Actually, madali lang to and patok sa kids dahil mahilig sila sa egg. Tapos ang cute patingnan, parang ang hirap gawin pero actually madali lang. Magandang protein source to and pag hinaluan mo pa ng mga veggies, marami pang health benefits na makukuha yung mga kakain. Great idea din to pambaon sa school. Yung kids ko, gustong-gusto nilang babaunin to. Tapos nagre-request pa sila ng chopsticks, feeling Japanese pag nasa school. And our Tamagoyaki is ready. Best na palamigin muna ng konti bago i-cut para hindi mag-break. I like enjoying it on its own with greens on the side pero masarap din to with rice or bread. Look at the layers, nakakatuwa. So sa mga mommies na naghahanap ng healthier baon ng kids nyo sa school or sa mga naghahanap ng healthier breakfast ideas, try nyo na rin tong recipe na to. Easy, quick, and affordable pa. Yun lang, bye!